Our students have been working hard to master the latest techniques and technologies in HVAC. And this grant won't just impact the students here in this classroom, but the HVAC industry as a whole.
Hello, my name is Tyler, and we are from Edison Academy in the HVAC program. Today, we are going to share our journey about the HVAC industry.
Currently, our learning tools are outdated and don't reflect the advances of the HVAC industry. This will limit our ability to gain real-world and applicable knowledge.
As future technicians, we must be familiar with the modern tools and technologies in the industry we use today.
Our goal is to bridge this gap by modernizing our training tools and equipment.
With the grant from SkillsUSA, we plan to purchase and update our industry standard equipment.
This enhancement will ensure our training is aligned with current industry practices, better preparing us for our future careers.
With the grant from SkillsUSA, we would love to update some of our flare blocks here. And some of the tools, as you could tell, wear and tear from many years of hard work in our HVAC program. Also as well, updating how we switch and also how we measure what we do flaring and switching. We use coins and hammers for most of our work here. And as we come back here, into our tool room, small tool room here. A lot of these torches are unusable because they're out of gas and a lot of the regulators are pulsing. Like we can't use these torches anymore. We can only use that one dual tank oxyacetylene torch in the back. That one to the right, out of gas and pulses. And it makes our work a lot harder, so where we can't get as much done in a certain amount of time.
It will enhance our learning experience, boost our confidence, and improve our job readiness.
We believe this upgrade will help us as students improve our community and provide skillful and knowledgeable technicians.
The impact of this grant will go beyond just our classroom.